What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 50 and in today's topic will be average and collect operator. So this is kind of one of the operator is kind of mathematical operator and one of the operator is for like what do you say, collect operator is actually going to summarize all the element in the form of list and will give you as a return result. So don't worry about that, I'll explain that. But average operator is very simple. So it's actually returns the average of a set of numeric values, and any null values within the set could be excluded for the calculation. For example, you are having 1, 2 and 3 in a list, so it is going to return 2, because 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6, so divided by 3 means average, normal mathematical rule, so it is going to return 2. So as simple as it is. So we'll see how we can use this in our case. So find the average age. So I'll be going to create one sample graph, and after that I will try to compute the average age. So create a player. Okay, so name Messi, age 31. Like this, we'll create, let's say, 33. Let's see, Suarez is same, say Neymar, let's say T, and probably is going to be 26. Okay, so let's create all this thing now. Okay, now we'll try to use the average operator. Okay, so match a player, return a dot age as average age. Probably the function is this. I'm not sure why this is not coming like this. Let's see. Okay, so 30.25 is the average age. If you calculate this thing using 31 plus 33 plus, I think 31, 33, let's calculate this thing first. I know this is going to return this thing, but again, just for our satisfaction, 31, 33 plus 33 plus 30, sorry, 31 plus 33. What is happening? 31 plus 33 plus 31 plus 9 is 26 divided by 4, 30.25. I think we also got 30.25. so this is very simple, guys. So in this way you can get any, like, what do you say, any average values. So I'll try to put this thing here. It doesn't make any sense to put this thing. It's very simple thing, but I'll do it. Okay, and we can write the same thing from Python as well. So what I'll do, I will write this thing here and we'll try to run this code. Why this is not returning? Okay, the return statement is actually missing here. Sorry, actually I'm not sure what happened here. So probably I just created everything again, probably, I'm not sure. Match n delete n Okay, so actually I created everything again, so now it is got created. Now we'll try to get the average values. So we'll write this thing from here. Actually it's 30.5. so I will take the copy paste of this thing from here and we'll try to put it here. Okay, so insert picture photo browser. Probably this is not the right path here. Okay, okay, so this is how it is. So here actually this is like this, and probably can write the answer as well. Right, the answer is like this. Average age 30.25. Avg 30.25. Okay, the next operator is collect operator. Collects return a list containing the values written by the expression. Suppose you are having some sort of expression, so if you use collect on top of that expression, it will return the whole list. Okay, using this function aggregates the data by amalgamating multiple records or values into a single list. Okay, so what I'll do, so now let's say match n return n. Okay, so we are having 1 2 3 4 nodes, so we are having 4 age values. So we'll try to use collect operator to get all the age in the form of a list. Okay, match a player and then return collect. We'll use a dot age, so it will return all 4 age values in the form of a list. See, it came as it is. So this is very simple. So probably I can write this thing here. And then voila. Okay, so the same thing from Python as well we can write. So let's check this thing. So let's write this thing here. Let's see. Same thing. This is very simple, guys. So collect is actually going to return you the list, and the list will be coming from the expression whatever you applied in your like previous calculation. So we are getting some sort of like expression here. Okay, and from that expression we are getting this list. Like this is the expression a dot h, and match is going to return all the nodes. Okay, and now if we apply collect, it will going to return the whole list. Okay, that's it. So write this thing. And picture from file. Okay, so guys, there is only one problem. We need to change this thing. So this is going to be like collect operator, find all the ages, find all the ages in list form. Collect operator, find ages in list form. Okay, collect operator definition, this is also going to be average operator. Find the average age, find the average age, distinct operator, this is not distinct, this is Avg average operator. Okay, this is average, this is average. Okay, so guys, I have like rectified the slides as well, cause or else it will going to confuse you guys definitely in the future. So I don't want to do all these things and messed up the whole tutorial at the end. So I did it then and there. So that's all guys. It is very simple tutorial, but this is very helpful. You guys understood now why this is very helpful. Suppose you are having 2000 or like 100 or 1000 nodes, and all the nodes are having some sort of like numerical values for one property. You would like to calculate the average value. That time you should use average. And if you are having, let's say 2200, 100 or whatever number of nodes, and you want to get the property values, one of the property values in the form of list for all the nodes, so in that case you can use collect operator. It will definitely help you. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos, share our videos with your family, friends, whoever relevant for our topic. And if you have some suggestion, complaint, demand, feedback, recommendation, advice, please feel free to reach me out. I'll try to incorporate all those changes in the next video. And if you have any suggestion for future tutorial or any topics, please also write me. You can write me. I will try to definitely figure out how to do it. I cannot guarantee that it will be done immediately, but definitely I will try to provide the support. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice vacation, cause Christmas is going on. So goodbye and